Hey guys, this is Leah, or you guys can call me Baby Scorpio, and welcome to day 1 of 5 days of yoga with me. Today's goal is to gently stretch the body and to ground ourselves with breath work. We're going to start off sitting in a comfortable cross-legged position or lotus pose, and you want to rest your hands on your knees with your palms facing up or down. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4. Hold it for 2. Then exhale through your mouth for a count of 6. Focus on expanding your belly on the inhale and gently contracting it on the exhale. We're going to repeat this process 3 more times. So inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Still continuing our breath work from our seated position, place your left hand on the ground and reach your right hand overhead, leaning slightly to your left. We're going to hold this position for 3 breaths. So inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Now we're going to switch arms. You're going to place your right arm on the ground and reach your left arm overhead, leaning slightly to the right. And we're going to hold this position for 3 breaths. So inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. We're going to continue our breath work in lotus pose with our hands back on our knees and our palms facing up or down. At this time, I want you to set your intentions for today, or take time to tell yourself something that you need to hear. Everything is working out in your highest favor, so thank yourself for showing up to this yoga session. You are deserving of this time to invest in your mind, body, and soul. Namaste, and see you guys on day 2.